Yeah,
15
that's
on
right.
2400.
Yes, sir. And that's app. That's is it wired at one ohm or half ohm?
One ohm.
One ohm. Wow.
One ohm.
Very good job, man. I appreciate it. What was that song?
Nelly. I couldn't tell you what.
Nelly. Don't worry. Nelly featured DJ DB. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So you can put your window up real quick for some info? Alright, we're here at the Sundown show, and what's your name and what you got, man?
Daniel Pinnell. Two VXF 15s on 2400.
Alright. Have you built this?
Yes. This is my first 6th order. We just got it done.
Okay.
And we decided to bring it out and see what she'll do.
Awesome. And it's still work in progress? I'm sure you got to do it.
Absolutely. It's got to be sealed off and the rest of the fall through put in.
Yes, sir. Very nice. And it's only a 2400, so this is probably pretty impressive.
Yeah, one Wolfram 2400.1.
Alright. How's your electrical?
270 amp volt and 210 amps of amp hours of AGM.
Okay. And that's app. That's is it wired at one ohm or half ohm?
One ohm.
One ohm. Wow.
One ohm. Yeah,
Be sure to give them a like and subscribe, everybody. Sundown show. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Daniel system at the Sundown show in North Carolina area he was showcasing. Give him a thumbs up if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about his system. Pretty impressive to see how loud these 215s got in an incomplete box on 2,000 watts pretty much. So 2,400 watt amp, but of course it's not getting that much. These subs are rated at 1,500 watt RMS, the VXF line, and you're here to watch a video to impress yourself with how much power this amplifier pushed out on these subs. Even being incomplete, you can still get a lot of efficiency out of a box, especially when you work on a system of this magnitude where the whole vehicle, the Outback is this vehicle, is a system. So if you build a 6th order enclosure into the vehicle, even if it's not sealed off, you can tell this is 6th order because of that back port. So when you build into a box, you always got to brace it. So he just threw that in there, and I'm sure that helped as well. And I could hear the lyrics during the demo, so that speaker box at the bottom was pretty impressive, even though he just got it put in for the show. So shout out to you, man. If you look closely, he used 2x4s and a structure that he built around for the outside baffle, and then you can add in the birch or plywood on the side panel. So that's usually a really efficient way to build into a vehicle, and you just add panel by panel, but it's harder to remove. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell and subscribe button for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy. All right.
good job, man.
Not too bad for 215.
That's
That's
right.
2400.
Yes, sir. And that's is it wired at one ohm or half ohm?
One ohm.
One ohm. Wow.
One of them.
Very good job, man. I appreciate it. What was that song?
Nelly. I couldn't tell you what.
Nelly,
it is,
don't worry.
buddy.
Nelly featured DJ DB. Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo, man.
Yeah,
Be sure to give them a like and subscribe, everybody. Sundown Show. Thanks for watching, man. You have a good day.
Thanks, brother.